Welcome to jQuery 101, jQuery for beginners. Let's start with a big question. Is jQuery still used? And the answer is absolutely yes. jQuery is responsible for the JavaScript on hundreds of millions of websites. I'm going to repeat that. jQuery is responsible for the JavaScript on hundreds of millions of websites. jQuery was originally created to bridge the gap between browsers before JavaScript started becoming more standardized. Internet Explorer and Firefox used JavaScript differently. Chrome and Safari implemented JavaScript differently. And jQuery was how you could write one language that just worked. Look, I know lots of people say you should skip learning jQuery altogether, but consider this. If it's used by over 100 million websites and still favored by organizations like Django and the Django framework, then there is clearly a market demand for this skill. If you're getting into JavaScript recently, this course is for you. If you're a backend developer and you want to write nice JavaScript without needing to learn an entire framework like React, this course is for you. To get the most out of this course, you will need to know a little bit of HTML, and if you know a little CSS, that's going to be helpful, but it's not required. And to really make the most out of jQuery, you should know some plain old just vanilla JavaScript. Hi, I'm Caleb Tallien, and I've been using jQuery since it was invented in 2006. I've taught over 300,000 students and worked with clients such as NASA, Mozilla, the Arctic Research Foundation, Samaritans, and the National Health Service in the UK. And this is my jQuery 101 class. Thanks for watching this introduction video, and I'll see you inside.